Klan.
Kanda pi tharai kan ni kapisa. Kali jono kan ni. Ba ka hospital te kala ajkai nang ni.
Binti aswa hang ni hadu nda de por kamu.
Sister, hap siu kat noma?
Ka sarkar kala siulut ikijing lut jing separo. Namar man ka way pa ka way ka minsiam ka long ka bordor.
Ya kini ki kali lepelat Paidbah do Menteri Rangbah ke Jelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma rengkat ke Jingidon Lang ka Director General ki Pulit ke Jelai kong ai nong rang ki he officer sarkar ki he Pulit bat kiwe. Ka Tnad Pulit ke Jelai kelatiat kendai pesan Tylli ki kali ki bekentup ya nyop kendai Tylli ki kali ki dia belatiat nak song pisah bela air ke sarkar pedang hapok ke Central Assistance to State Police Scheme. Kini ki kali barang syutit themai ki kentup ya arpo Tylli ki Maruti Jimny kat kendai Tylli ki Tata truck ban kit ki Pulit san Tylli ki Mahindra mini truck kat kendai Tylli ki bus ban kit ki Pulit ke badan ka jaga syong hado arpo Tylli shpo Tylli ki bus bakit Pulit ke badan jaga syong na ke benta arpo sawut pra Tylli ki bus bakit Pulit ke badan jaga syong palai pun rewut bat pra Tylli ki Tata Yodha na ke benta ke CID Ukondat kongkal sangma ulong bagajing penne ek syong sok syong san kalong kubakong santam jong kadang kadang sarkar. Bagajing kot jingmut ban penklan ya gajing penteri kam ya kaan om tang haka ketian hendrai digi kam. Ula pen pauru ya gajing tungkam ya palat lai hajar ngut ki Pulit ha ki jaka balat Tylli la slembha. Bakani ke pen ya gajing kot jingmut jong sarkar ban pentikna bagi bor Pulit kidan iki beriau bat gajing kershan ke badan kam ban pendap hok ya ke kamram jongki. Haba kedau sepang gajing Tnad berangshan halapangap ke distrik West Gentle Hills. Ukonrat kongkal sangma ulong bagi Pulit idan ke benta ke bakongsan ban penti kena gajing syongsuk. Bat gajing jai-jai hakatan kat bak sarkar kadang yai beteng ya gajing ya keran bat kikin hun na Assam. Ha ka bedai bak gajing ya penbed ya ki kam kaput. Baru lai ku ru ya ke Director General ki Pulit ke Jelai kong ai nongrang bat ka kun hun ju ibro ko wei. Na ke benta gajing trish dom bak gajing kot jingmut ban penti kena ya ka syongsuk syongsan ha ka Jela.
Have given an additional 95 vehicles to the police force to be distributed in different districts. And this is in continuation with our state government's commitment to ensure that we are able to maintain law and order and support our police forces and enhance their capability and strength. So whether it's manpower, recruitment, whether it's the infrastructures at the grassroots level in outpost and police stations, whether it is the training of our police force, or whether it is logistical support like vehicles and also different ammunition and other equipments that are required. In all areas, our government has been supporting the police force to enhance their capability so that they are able to perform their duties in a much more efficient manner, which will ultimately, of course, benefit the people of our state.
So also your thoughts on the attack in Manipur, so on the church leaders we can discuss.
We have condemned the attack. Any kind of violence is something that, from our party side, is completely unacceptable. And the way it was done and the way the church leaders were attacked and the loss of lives that was there is something that we have highly condemned as a party. And we urge the state government as well as the people of Manipur that we need to ensure that violence must stop and we must continue to work together, as a society to work towards bringing back peace in the state of Manipur, as Manipur has been suffering for a very long time. And if we do not have peace, we will not be able to move towards bringing back normalcy in the state of Manipur.
So border talks, any timelines?
The new government has just been sworn in Assam, and therefore let a few days pass. I will communicate with Honorable Chief Minister Assam, and we will definitely take the discussion forward soon.